All right, hello everyone. I'm John Grischow. I am account manager at Leybold, aka a vacuum salesman. Except I don't go door to door. I go to universities, industrial parks, and government national labs. No one really knows like what we do. You guys just hear vacuum, and everyone thinks vacuum cleaner. I think a lot of people in this room know what we do, but it's a constant issue. So we actually made a brief video to kind of introduce everything.
Our legacy lives not only in our celebrated history,
but in the lives we touch.
The moments we build.
the changes we inspire,
The progress we work for.
and the lessons we learn along the way.
Legacy is our past.
It's our present.
And our future.
Legacy is leading the way.
Legacy is labeled.
So yeah, that's a, so that was the most corporate video ever. You guys still probably have no clue what we do. But we're in literally almost any and every industry you can imagine, from space simulation all the way to freeze drying pet food. I focus primarily on carbon capture, hydrogen, batteries, renewable technologies, metallurgy, semiconductor, and so forth. So everyone uses our pumps to basically manipulate the environment around them or in a certain system, for those that are engineers. So you could manipulate the pressure and manipulate the entropy or the phases of certain products, whether it be depositing layers on a semiconductor chip or skipping the water phase, going directly from ice to vapor, so on and so forth. What we use our pumps for in this industry, and I'll explain later, is more the absorption, desorption part of it, where people will have special material that captures CO2, and then you want to isolate that CO2 because that's the stuff that you want, and you want to take that out. That's what a lot of people use our pumps for. Right here is our range. So this is atmosphere going all the way up to high vacuum. And then to the right are the different pumps to step you up to that. So we do a lot of different pumps depending on what you guys need. Our shtick or spiel of Leybold is actually to be more sustainable. So we do really high performance pumps, but then we also don't sacrifice the environment. So often when I'm going into manufacturing plants, I'm replacing very old, antiquated technology, technology that is very power intensive, power hungry, bad for the environment. And then we also try to focus on sustainable energy initiatives or just more sustainable products as a whole. Norbert and I, who's in the audience here, him and I are focusing on DAC particularly. Some of the people in this room are actually our customers or have piloted our pumps, ongoing negotiations. We have noticed that in the industry, there's a particular type of pump set that people are using, and then we came up with the idea to standardize an offering, which is the DAC vac, which is that containerized solution over there. So that has our, the white pumps, those are our blowers, and then actual what we call backing pumps, but you also have condensers in there, air conditioning, compression, and so basically you would mount that right up to your process. And then we will work with you to see what pressures you need to be. We'll program the system. This is modular, and you could expand it. So this is just one unit that could do about 1,000 tons of CO2 a year. You could put 5, 10, 15 of them on top of each other, for example. It's weather rated, so you could put them outside, which often the carbon capture industry put everything outside. We've learned that putting our pumps outside and getting rained on is not a good idea. So we put them inside. So it's a modular, scalable system for you guys. And then if you guys have any questions, you could come find us. We're the two bald guys. And then, or you could write down our contact information and let us know if you guys need any help with calculations or your process or how we could help. So that's it. Thank you.